show you some good exercise for your middle split with yoga blocks. And so let's begin. First of all, will be more easier exercise for your training. Okay, let's begin. So breathe up, point, breathe up, flex. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, keep this position. Also, you can take yoga blocks. Keep your back straight. Okay, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, flex. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Keep this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cool. And another side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so and right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, keep this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cool. Slowly change position and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, cool. Whew. And another. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And keep this position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open your knees. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, cool. Slowly go to the butterfly. Whew. And have rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, the last one exercise will be this. Put your leg to the yoga blocks. Okay, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and keep this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And also try to do middle split. Okay, tada. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, cool. Okay, also try to do this exercise in your training. And this exercise, and after some time you can sit to the middle split. So also let me know in the how do you feel after this exercise, and also thank you for your likes, subscribes and watching. So thank you, see you.